on, y'all.
Well, hello. In our last video we talked about engine with electric boiler. Now we show you a true engine with live steam. This is Ester hobby model of P8 engine. It's made of several hundred parts and costs about $6,000. To run an engine we had to buy tracks. The tracks was bought in Germany. To make a full cycle there have to be 24 tracks. We visited 3 shops to get a full cycle. The price was about $500. We got it from Zurich from our friends in Ester Europe company. This is a complex mechanical device and contains different parts. This is a tender. It has tanks for fuel and water. The fuel is alcohol. If we mix the water and the fuel, we will get the vodka, the drink we like to drink. Also in the tender there is a pump, what puts water in the boiler. There are pipes linking tender to engine. The fuel and water goes to engine with these pipes. Under the boiler there is a firebox with 3 sumps. Fuel from tender flows to firebox, burns there and hits the water in the boiler. Water heats and converts to steam. Steam then heated even more and becomes dry in the device called superheater. After that, steam goes to a steam engine. In the engine, steam expands and pushes the piston, which through rods transfers mechanical energy to wheels. The engine has 5 controls and 2 gauges. This valve controls the flow of the fuel. This valve controls the amount of steam to the engine. This valve controls the amount of water to the boiler. This valve is used to create a forced draft. This one is used to reverse an engine. And also the gauges. This one is water gauge. This one is pressure gauge. There is also an axle pump what feeds water into a boiler. Let's power it on. Let's check the oil in the oil tank. While we wait for the fuel to fill the firebox, we start to pump the water into a boiler. To create a forced draft in the beginning, we need another device, a powerful fan. It's a battery-powered fan. We switch the fan on and then fire up the firebox. Remember kids, safety first.
Фу, спирт воняет просто.
The water level was too high and we dropped some steam. Now the level of water is much better.
Now we're waiting for pressure to build up to 4 bars. Now we are ready to start.
So we have left some fuel and we want to utilize it and recycle.
Espionage is a serious business. Well, I've had enough of this serious business. That dancing girl is making eyes at me. I'm sure she's working for the KGB in this paradise.
Yummy.
Ah, cold as ice. Moonlight and vodka takes me away. Midnight in Moscow.
Просто.
The sunshine in LA.
Просто.
In the good USA.
See you later, guys.